Are you struggling to get your YouTube channel art displayed correctly on all devices? Then why not make your life a lot easier by using a template? In this video I'll show you where to get one for free. Subscribe to learn more and ring that bell if you don't want to miss another update. Alrighty then, let's get cracking. The first step is to open your own YouTube channel. And then click on the blue Customize Channel button. Now you'll see the standard channel art placeholder. Just click on the grey pencil button and select Edit Channel Art. Now a pop-up window will appear and you'll need to click on the link at the bottom of that pop-up window. This will open an additional tab in your browser with a support page. Now scroll down to the section called Image Tips and Guidelines. And click on the section called Image Size and File Guidelines. And here you'll find all the information you need to create the perfect channel art, including a channel art template that you can download. For your convenience, I've tweaked the channel art template so it also contains some room for your channel icon and the external links. You can download my version free of charge and no opt-in is required. Just use the link I added in the description of this video. And remember, Wantabiz is here to help you start your own business.